Okay, so this is a really quick install on how to change out these dome lights here to LED. Hey, this is a really easy install for all you JK owners out there who just want to replace your dome lights. You know, these things are kind of yellowy, tingy, they're halogens, they're really crappy. If you want to just kind of update it, make it look more modern, more fresh, but also give you a really better overall feel and look for in your Jeep, if you're looking at maps, if you're looking at any sort of stuff that you need to see where it is at night, if you're loading the kids up, and you drop a toy or you drop a tool and you're looking for something, these lights will definitely help out, I hope. I got them from Amazon, pretty cheap, so let's put them in and let's see how they work. So all you're going to do here is just going to use a real small screwdriver. Just going to put her up top in here. Just going to pop this out a little bit here. Try not to scratch anything. There we go. There we go, and it's out. Alright, so then I'm going to take the bulb and I'm going to slide it inside here after we got that other one out. Let's see if that works. There we go. And it's just a hit and miss. If you put it in, and it doesn't actually go in, it doesn't turn on, I should say, just pull it out, flip it back in the other way. There's only one way these can go in, and you can't really tell until you stick it in. There we go. Beautiful. Both work. Awesome. Okay, so this one here is the rear. The rear is a little bit different, has a different style of light. When you're going to take this one out, again, little screwdriver. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over on this side here, because there's a bracket where it opens like this. So you don't want to go on that side because you might damage it, but over here is where you want to go in. So, get your little screwdriver. Just want to get in there, and then as soon as you got it, boom, that's it. That's all you got to do. That's as far as you open it. Okay, so then we're going to pull this guy out. Straight out like that. Pretty simple. Just a simple little style light. We'll get the new one out. Just like this guy here. Of course, the vents will go upwards towards that. Go. That's in. Let's make sure it works. Beautiful. So much brighter, my goodness. Alright. So let's just push this back in place. Done. Alright. Double check, make sure it's working good. Perfect.